Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to RMK Resolutions. So, in the previous video, we have discussed about the pest and their control. In that, we have also discussed about the agricultural pest which are going to harm the different agricultural crops and how they are going to affect the economy of the farmer. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about the household pest, household insect pest, and how these particular household insect pest they create a serious health issues for the human beings. So, as I told you, this particular insect pest which are found in a house or near about the house, these are known as household pest. So the insect which cause the serious health problems among the human populations, these are referred as the public health pest. So mosquito, we know that this is a very common, which is also the public health pest. So there are a number of different insect they interfere to the human lives or man's life, and they conflict the man's comfort and the pleasure also. So the insect pest, they annoying by their presence, means they disturb the life of the human beings by their presence also, then their bad odor also, their sound also, their taste of their secretion also, and by crawling over the human body also, and they getting into the eyes also sometimes, then ears, nose, or by laying the eggs on the animal body. So in this particular way, they are going to disturb the human life. So we have a lot of experience about this household pest. We experience this particular household pest by the flying of this particular insect, then buzzing of the insect when we are in the rest or in the sleep, then we can hear the sound of this particular insect also. So the diverse environment around the us or human being, around the human being, there is a diverse environment, and this particular environment is very attractive to this particular insect. So which environment is there? So different green lawns are there, flowers are there, shrubs, parks, industrial complexes. All these particular are the attractive environment for these household pests. So again, these are the some important things related to the household pest. Now we'll try to understand the definition of the household pest. So the pests that infect dwelling are commonly referred as the household pest or household insect. So there are number of household pests we can see around us. So very common household pest we can see is the cockroach. Cockroach, it is known as, it is found everywhere. In every man house, cockroach is there. And this particular cockroach, this is the insect, we know that. And this cockroach, they having biting and chewing type of mouth parts. So this particular cockroaches, it is said that cockroach, they are the cosmopolitan in nature. So there are many household insect pests are there. That is, cockroaches are there, crickets are there, house flies are there, fruit flies are there, ants we can say, and that is red ant and black ant, silver fish. These are the some names of the household pest, and they are going to contaminate the eatable food. This cockroach and all others, they are going to contaminate the eatable foods and they spoil that particular food. So they are not only spoil the food, but they transmit the disease also, because they carry some disease causing agents, and this particular food get contaminated and directly human being is going to affect. So the insect like cloth moth, then carpet beetles, then furniture beetles, they are going to damage the property of the human beings. So ultimately, this particular household pest, they are going to damage to the human holdings also, and they are also going to damage the health of the human being. So the most, you can see this is, these are the insect pest, and these are the household pest. On your screen you can see these are the images from the Google. See this particular image. Here it shows the different household pest, that is the insect, bed bug, this one, this is the fly, household fly, this one is the ant, cockroaches, carpet beetles, they are found on the carpet. Then you can see another, for example, Anopheles mosquito. This is the very destructive for the human beings. And this particular Anopheles mosquito, they spread the malaria among the human beings. So Anopheles, this is the vector for the malaria. Then there are some other, such as the this is the sand fly, which again damage. They also carry the different pathogens which are responsible for the fever. So this one is the sand fly. Then Culex and Aedes. This one is the Culex. You can see on your screen. This is the mosquito Culex and Aedes. They are responsible to spread the filariasis. Culex, they are responsible. Culex, they are responsible for the filariasis, and this Aedes, they are responsible for the yellow fever. So this Aedes, this is a genus of the mosquito which is originally found in the tropical and subtropical regions. You can see on your screen, these are the Aedes, which having a this mosquito, they having a specific marks on their legs and body. So these are the white patches which are found, so we can easily identify the for these particular insects. Then housefly, this is a very common, you can see on your screen, this housefly, this is a suborder Cyclorapria. It is believed that this particular housefly, it is the cosmopolitan. See, this one is the scientific name of the houseflies. Musca domestica. This one is the scientific name. So this is a very common household pest. Then louse is there again. This one is the household pest. So this is the common name. Louse is the common name. So these are the some important. Here again, this is the rat fleas, which again cause the different types of fevers. Fevers. Then cockroaches, we already talked with this cockroach, and this one is the silverfish. Again, this is the household pest. This silverfish, this is a common primitive wingless insect. Remember, my dear friend, this is the wingless insect which is placed in an order Zygoptoma. So this is the common name that derives the animal's light, silvery, light gray in color. So again, this one is the household pest. So this particular household pest, again, these are the very damaging effect for the human being. Then human louse, we just see in this particular human louse. Yes, on your screen. This is the human louse, which is also called as the pediculus, which carries the microorganisms for which are responsible for the typhus fever. Then it is also responsible for the relapsing fever and trench fever. So in short, this particular household pests, they are not only responsible for damaging the food or contaminating food, or they are not only responsible for damaging the property such as the furniture or some other wooden items, but they are the very important because they are responsible. They act as a vector. They act as a vector because they carry the different pathogenic microorganisms also, and they carry the different what we can say, different pathogenic microorganisms also. That's why these household pests, they are very important. We are going to study this particular household pest, so it is easy to control this particular household pest. We have seen the rat fleas also. This particular rat fleas, they are going to they are responsible for the bubonic plague. So I hope all of you like the video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel RMK Resolutions and hit the bell icon for such more updates. Thank you. Bye bye.